This is a quick overview of your homeroom dashboard and how to navigate it in some basic ways. First thing that's really important to notice, and always check when you log in, is that at the top it says the correct dashboard that you want to be on. I am on the district level dashboard, but if you're a principal, you would want to see school principal dashboard, or a teacher would say teacher, or if you're a specialist, a coach, any kind of interventionist, yours would say specialist dashboard at the top. And then also look to see your student group that's under here, that it's the right students you want to be looking at data for. So if you, again, mine shows the whole school district, yours should show default to whatever your role is. If you're the principal of Quincy Middle School, it would be all middle school students. If you are a teacher, it should say all students in your class or in a certain period. An interventionist would probably say all students for your school as well. So just check that. Then as you want to navigate around, one thing that sometimes it takes a little while for these pages to load, and if you see up at the top a blue bar that's still moving and you can't see all the data you want, that might mean that your data is still loading. And that happens especially for principals or district administrators or specialists whose page is loading data on hundreds and hundreds or thousands of students at a time. It takes a while to get all that data loaded at once. To start navigating, you can just scroll down and see all the data that's available, but I tend to get lost because there's a lot of things there. So what I like to use is this little gear at the top right, which is like a table of contents. And if you click on that, it will show you these are all the different data sets that are available on my dashboard. Yours may be different, but you can just click to one. Let's say I'm really logging into Homeroom today to go and look at SRS SIE data, the behavior data. So I can click on that and it will take me right there. Right now I am in what's called demonstration mode, so that all of this data is scrambled, but you can click, and then anywhere you are, if you want to go again and say, oh, now I want to look at iReady data, click on it and you can go there. The next thing I want you to see, I'll go back up to the top, is that on each one of the containers, every box like this, there's one here, 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 each of these boxes are called containers. In each container, it has a heading at the top. What is this container basically about? This is the demographics container for this page. And underneath, there are tabs that can go into more detail. So for this demographics, you can look at race, services students are in, language they have, what gender, or grade levels. If I go down to an assessment one, for example, ELL progress, it's not showing me a lot of data right now, only because I'm in the summer. But you can see on this one, this is STAR from prior spring, and it's reading, and this one's for the whole school district. And so up here, there's a lot of tabs. This is going to show me breaking it down by program. So kindergarten students who are in special ed or learning English or have a 504 plan, and it's going to show me each of those by each grade level. If I click down, I can say I want to disaggregate which grade level by program or by ethnicity, and I can click on that. The first one is the district summary, so it's all kindergarten students in the district, first grade, second grade, third grade. And remember, all of this data is scrambled, so it's not really showing accurate data. So for each container, this is all the STAR prior spring math. There are tabs that will help you disaggregate the data by grade level, gender, race, program that students are in, or even by individual students versus a summary view, or sometimes by standard, depends on what you can see there.